Hi folks, here we are again at Fairbourne Beach. Yet another beautiful day. We've been looking around this week at a few places that we can get stopovers. We managed to find out the building behind us, the Golf Vault, they have been allowing stopovers overnight in their car park just over here. I'm not sure how much it costs or anything, but we've sent a message to them to try and get in and have a chat. So keep our fingers crossed we'll be able to add it on to the end of this video. As you can see, I've had a shave. I thought with the last two videos I looked more like a hillbilly, so tidied it all up a bit.
I was thinking of doing some solar cooking. If the weekend's nice, I'll show you the solar cookers and we'll see if we can do some. Okay, going.
Yeah, go.
I thought we'd take a walk down the beach towards Barmouth and the point. We'll show you the bridge once we get down there. We'll show you the bridge, and for anybody that's over 60,
old fuddy-duddy she means.
Anybody over 60 might remember that the bridge was in the film, the old Arthur Askey film, the ghost train. So
It's the one that the train crashed off the bridge into the sea.
did you hear that? The train crashed out into the sea in that film. So
Gosh, they left the bridge open.
So okay, I'll show you the bridge once we get there.
I got ya.
Oh no. I don't like that.
Yeah, I still say, if it weren't for these stones to get down on the bridge, onto the beach, this would have been one of the best beaches in the Cardigan coastline. If you've got young kids, as you can see with them out there, look. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. Yeah, that's as far as I can zoom in, I think. There you go. As you can see with those kids, look how far out they are. It's a nice slow beach, so it stays shallow for quite a way in. I know most of you Brummies that are watching it, or Midlanders would know Fairbourne. It's like little Birmingham by the sea. It's a popular place, or used to be, for holiday makers to come Fairbourne, Towin and Barmouth. So like I say, look at it. First week of the school summer holidays and it's totally empty. You know, it's crazy, isn't it?
What is it?
Just here. Guys, yeah.
Oh wow, can you see that in my shadow? Jellyfish. This water's lovely and warm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
More jellyfish.
Woo! John's got a booty. And another jellyfish. Still on.
size of that bugger. There's a size 12 boot. Bloody hell. Wouldn't want to meet him swimming. Bloody hell, look, come on.
Still alive.
Bloody hell, that's over 2 foot wide. And here we are, coming up towards the point. Look how crowded this side of the beach, the Fairbourne beach is. Now, if I can zoom in, that is Barmouth Beach. It is chock-a-blocked. Okay, look at this. This is Fairbourne. I don't know if you can see that over there. That's Barmouth. No, the camera keeps going out of focus. But that's Barmouth. I don't know if you can see it, but it's heaving. Now for a couple of bob, they could have come across the estuary here on the Fairbourne Railway ferry for just over £1. Where would you want to be? In that crowd? Or on this side? I know where I want to be, and it ain't bloody Barmouth. Well folks, if any of you were on this beach or on Barmouth Beach and want to come across this little stretch of water, my advice is come across in a boat. Don't try and swim it. There's majority of the deaths along the Fairbourne coast has been here. The tide comes in and goes out so quickly. So be warned if you come. It looks easy, nice little swim across, but it's deadly. Yeah folks, I'll see if I can zoom in. No, it's camera crazy. But as I was just saying about going across this strip of water, if you look out there now, you've got an adult and a child on the paddleboard. Not one of them have got a life jacket on. A few years ago, the harbour master of Barmouth and one of his mates, who were both lifeboatmen as well, drowned here because they wasn't wearing their life jackets apparently. Now, would you take your kid out without a life jacket? I know I wouldn't have done mine or my grandchildren. For Christ's sake, whatever you do if you come out, be careful, especially in this piece of water. So like I say, it is treacherous. There you go. That's the Cadaridris range. Arthur's chair in English. Idris was a giant. There seems to be lots of those on Welsh and Cornish history in legends. There's Carol cooling her feet off. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. We've been warned. There has been weaver fish on Fairbourne, Barmouth and Harlech beaches, so while you're paddling, don't be like Carol and go barefooted. Make sure you've got something on your feet, because if you stand on one, it is really painful. So a bit more health and safety advice. There you go folks, there's the ferry to go across to Barmouth. And that there is the Barmouth Bridge. In the film there's a part where you see the train come shoveling along this bit of track, the wooden part, and the middle bit was left open on the metal bit, and the train went into the sea. So if you don't know the film, look up the ghost train Arthur Askey on YouTube. It's on there. It's not bad for its age. But again, there's Barmouth. Come round this way. There we have the terminus of the the Fairbourne narrow railway. It comes from the beginning of Fairbourne on the main road as you cross over the British rail lines, all the way along Beach Road, then along Penryn Idris Drive, which is all this top end of the Fairbourne beach to here. Unfortunately we missed the train, but we might catch one on the way back. But there you go, Cadair Idris in the background, Barmouth Bridge and Barmouth. When the tide's fully in, all this sand all the way around to there ends up flooded. We've just got a 360 cam, so I might take it on the bridge one morning and we do a 360 walk across the bridge. Personally, I think it's one of the best views that you can find along this coastline, especially when the sun's going down and looking out to sea, or early in the morning when the sun's rising, just that way. But I'm too bloody lazy to get up that time in the morning, so sorry, you're not going to get that. But there you go, that's it for now. Unless something else crops up on the way down, bye for now. Well folks, here's the Fairbourne train. Hey folks, me again, just a short one. Where we are now is at the point. A few years ago, motorhomes were able to park here overnight, but because of the few bad apples that didn't take their waste home, they would empty their toilets in the dunes, grey water on the road, and leave their rubbish lying around. The council has now stopped it, but look at it, it would have been a perfect place for a parking spot. As I said, you can park here during the day, but no overnight parking. But there is some good news. For those of you who know people that live in Gwynedd, and if they've got a motorhome, get them to head over to the link below. I'll put it in the description. Gwynedd Council are doing a survey with residents of Gwynedd about allowing motorhomes to park on the car parks around Gwynedd. If that comes off, then it'd be a brilliant idea, and it'd be good for the local economy, but mainly for us who enjoy wild camping. Okay folks, that's it for now. I'll point out the golf course a little bit further down. Catch you later. Bye for now.
Just before we go, I'd like to say we had no comeback from the Fairbourne Golf Club, but we will keep you informed and let you know what happens. I hope you like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'd like to say ta from John and I, so happy travelling, bye.